So Larnaca, I already arranged the car. I'm planning to have a car here and drive around. And I booked a really cheap, the cheapest hostel that I could find, 40 euros a night. And now I'm trying to get to the city. There's a shuttle bus that you don't pay for it at the bus shuttle office. You have to go somewhere else to pay for it, which is stupid. But yeah, here we go. So Cyprus, day one. So I guess upstairs she meant outside. It's the only place where I see buses and some parking. So I guess shuttles are here. Hello. Do you know if the shuttle bus can be paid with card or it's only cash?
I don't really know if if they accept card.
Okay.
We have to pay to the
To the
To the
driver.
driver, yes, at the door. You have to have it cash.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so there's an app that you can get. Okay, so this is what we pay to get to the city center. Public transport was supreme. We arrived in 20 minutes, I think, and now we're walking to the hostel. So, while I walk to the hostel, I'll tell you something interesting about Cyprus. It's divided like in three parts. There's the part that belongs to Cyprus, there's a part that belongs to Turkey, that's on the north, and there's a part that belongs to the UK, a really small piece of the island at the south. I guess at some point everything belonged to the UK, that's why they drive on the left side. I wonder if people take snaps here also, like in Italy. In Italy, from 2 to 4, there's nothing on the street going on. Everybody is taking their nap, so they can then continue with their work days. I think they work from 8 to 12, they have lunch, they take their nap, and then they work from 4 to 8 or 4 to 9, something like that. This is why I always prefer to carry a backpack instead of a regular suitcase with wheels. So this is Lazarus thumb. It's really humid down here. Probably there's no much ventilation. And back to the Mediterranean, just from another shore. All American places here: Sports Bar and Grill, KFC, McDonald's, and TGA Fridays. This is the American spot. No complaints though, I could eat in every single one of them. Frozen yogurt, Häagen-Dazs, and it continues. So this is like an American quarter. Every restaurant that we passed by was American, big chains. So if you're American and you feel homesick, or if you want to go to some traditional fast food chain, this is the place for you. But of course, we're not going to eat on an American place, we're going to eat real, authentic, local food. And that's where we are going. So this is the place that we are going to try. A walk on the beach after a really nice dinner to close the day. The weather is really nice for a walk. There's a breeze, 24 degrees, it's barely humid. There's a lot of people out.